What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, what are we going to be doing?
Well, shit.
Huh?
We're gonna get drunk at a brewery.
And who are we going for?
Ready?
Tacoma Krew. Go check him out on Instagram.
Tacoma_Krew.
So we're going for the homeboy Ernie, you know? Let's get out of here. Let's go have some fun. Let's meet up with Nate and all the other guys.
Hey guys, bye. Alright, well thanks for watching, guys. This is my channel now, not Jesse's. Doing a little bit of doing some cinematics. Hope you guys enjoyed the video clips. And yeah, join us next time on 4-wheel drive action. Cheer y'all, mate. Is that a good one? No?
Was it good?
I thought it was good.
It was good.
It was good.
Was it good? Was it good?
Amazing.
I thought it passed. Let's leave it in. See you guys.
It's not the same. Everyone's like, oh, I love you, Jesse, but nah, I'm Jesse today. This is my truck. That was Jesse's.
That's mine.
It's mine. I need your keys.